This is the airplane crash site from the 2005 Steven Spielberg film titled War of the Worlds. Now look at all the little details that went into making this look like a real alien invasion, when in fact it's only featured in the movie for a couple of minutes.
The airplane crash site is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
He said, yeah, to sit down and talk about War of the World. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Listen, wait. Listen, I don't like this. I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
From one alien invasion to the next, we're headed to the sets from Jordan Peele's most recent film titled Nope.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time, Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Gervais. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. What's a bad miracle? You're about to find out. Welcome to the world of no.
Looks like it's time for us to get out. How about we turn that key louder here? And Jordan Peele points aside, those sets are an integral part of the film. No, definitely recommend you give it a watch. Those sound effects make a whole lot more sense to you once you've seen the movie. Now you've been able to see a lot of movie sets today because a portion of our tour we're actually going to have you in the movie. So I want to invite you all to please stay seated because things are about to get a little fast and furious in here. Let me set the scene for you. We are going to pretend like there is a witness on board our tram, wanted by a very bad guy named Owen Shaw. But don't worry, I'm not going to let him find us. We're going to head out here in Solomon's Garage and Dawn's family is promised to keep us safe.
My name is Roman Pierce. Nice to meet you. Buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. We brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you. To keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here. So put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
Turn that music off!
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Him?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
Move! After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Hobbs, cover the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
Dad, look out! You can be the witness to whether we call it a day. The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Put it in the balls!
Way to go, Letty. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Don't shoot, head from the bridge. Under construction. Hit the nitrous.